Now more than ever, people want to know where their products come from. Is it safe? Is it reliable? These are the questions we ask ourselves every single day.
Here at Pulse PEMF, we do everything from designing to testing to manufacturing here in Cartersville, Georgia.
I love knowing that our team here in North Georgia is not only helping countless Americans, but also many people in other countries. Who knew a world-renowned wellness technology that transforms lives and brings hope to so many would come from a little city like Cartersville?
We're creating rewarding jobs and providing life-changing solutions to Americans. Isn't that the real essence of the American dream? To build something successful so that you can help as many people as possible.
For the last 20 years, we've been on a relentless mission to improve the lives of the people and animals we love so much. This year alone, our systems will be used over 1 million times as our great nation celebrates 250 years of freedom. We are proud to be growing and manufacturing here in the USA.